Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to cook authentic Älplermagronen. From boiling the macaroni and potatoes together to creating the creamy cheese sauce and crispy onions, you'll learn how to bring this Swiss comfort food to life in your own kitchen. Simple steps to cook authentic Älplermagronen at home. Vertical. But you might think a dish with such a complex name is difficult to prepare, but it is surprisingly straightforward. Älplermagronen is an impressive meal that is easy to make, proving that easy does not mean less flavor. This traditional recipe focuses on maximizing flavor with minimal fuss, a hallmark of excellent peasant cooking. Making this robust dish at home is highly rewarding and ideal for cold evenings. Mastering the dual boil, macaroni and potato prep. The first step in cooking is wonderfully efficient, embodying the dish's spirit of resourcefulness. You will simultaneously cook the potatoes and the macaroni in the same pot. First, peel and cube your potatoes into approximately half-inch pieces. Waxy or slightly firm potatoes, like Yukon Gold, work best because they hold their shape during boiling. Add the potato cubes to a large pot of lightly salted water and bring it to a boil. After about 5 minutes of cooking the potatoes, add the macaroni. Short cuts like elbow macaroni, small ziti, or penne are ideal. Cook the mixture until the pasta is al dente and the potatoes are fork tender. This saves time and water, perfectly matching the original humble nature of the dish. Drain the potatoes and macaroni together, reserving about a cup of the cooking water, creating the creamy, cheesy magic sauce. This dish distinguishes itself from standard mac and cheese because it skips the time-consuming roux. The sauce comes together swiftly and relies on the starch released by the cooking potatoes for binding. Quickly return the drained macaroni and potatoes to the empty pot. Reduce the heat to low. Now add the star ingredients, a generous amount of freshly grated cheese, like Gruyere, and heavy cream or whole milk. Begin stirring immediately. The heat from the pasta and pot, combined with the stirring, will melt the cheese rapidly. You will see the sauce thicken almost instantly as the cheese emulsifies with the cream and the potato starch. If the mixture seems too thick, add a small splash of the reserved cooking water until you achieve a rich, creamy, and cohesive coating. Do not overcook this mixture. The goal is simply to melt the cheese and coat everything evenly. Serving it right, the traditional Älplermagronen experience. The method of serving Älplermagronen is just as important as the recipe itself. To truly embrace the full Swiss culinary experience, you need to understand the side pairings. This robust dish is meant to be eaten immediately, hot from the stove, often served right from the pot. The surprising but necessary partner, applesauce. The most famous and culturally essential pairing is serving a generous dollop of unsweetened applesauce alongside the hot pasta. For those unfamiliar with the tradition, the combination of savory, cheesy potatoes and sweet, tart applesauce might seem odd. However, this pairing is magnificent. The acidic and fruity notes of the applesauce provide a sharp, refreshing contrast. This tartness cuts through the intensely rich and creamy texture of the cheese and potatoes, refreshing the palate between bites. It is an essential component for achieving an authentic flavor profile. Quick recipe swaps and add-ins, bacon is welcome. While the core recipe is sacred, variations are common and keep the dish exciting. You can certainly add meat to increase the savory depth. Cubes of smoked bacon, often called speck in Switzerland, or pre-cooked ham are wonderful additions. You fry these pieces separately and mix them in with the pasta, potatoes, and cheese for a smoky flavor. Another common European flavor enhancer worth trying is nutmeg. Add a small dash of freshly grated nutmeg to the sauce when you introduce the cream and cheese. This ingredient adds a layer of warmth and complexity that elevates the dish significantly. Feel free to experiment with a mixture of cheeses as well. For instance, combining Gruyere with a small amount of fontina can add silkiness. Älplermagronen is a marvelous experience in simple, hearty, and satisfying eating. It successfully combines comfort elements from various cold weather staples into one harmonious bowl. This is a dish with a rich history, designed for sustenance and warmth in the high mountain air. Next time you crave macaroni and cheese, skip the ordinary and opt for this extraordinary Swiss variation featuring potatoes and caramelized onions. You will find that simplicity and history can create the most profound and comforting meals. Gather your ingredients, prepare your caramelized onions, and share your delicious, unique Swiss mac and cheese creation with friends in this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.